This December Daily mini album was designed by Brenda Rose. There were two stamp sets included in the original kit, or I should say used in this kit, and they are no longer available. I have one for sale that I will show you at the end, but because of that, I have pre-stamped everything for you. So all of the days that are numbered there on the circles have been pre-stamped for you, and anywhere on the pages where the stamp was used, I have pre-stamped that for you. So there are more than 25 pages in here to capture all of your memories during the month of December as you count down to Christmas. This adorable 6x6 mini album includes the album itself in candy apple red and the page protectors for the 6x6 pages. The Cricut pages, as you see there, have flip-flaps on them to help protect your photos. Here's another Cricut page and a flip-flap on the other side. And the end. All of that is pre-stamped for you. Here is a look at your kit. So you will get the album and the 10 page protectors that you will need. You also get the instructions. And in your kit, you will have chipboard. So we've got these chipboard shapes in the black, red, and green. Some items that are stamped to be fussy cut, I've stamped for you. And then each of the days, or each of the album pages, I've put into separate envelopes. So there are photo placeholders, there are flip-flaps, there is a 12 by 12 sticker sheet that you will use in this workshop. There is pattern paper and cardstock, along with a cutting guide for the minimal cuts that you will need to make. Inside each of these envelopes are each of the days with the numbers pre-stamped and the pages pre-stamped for you. So all you have to do is cut your papers and put them down and add your photos. There's even, what are they called? Page reinforcements for the Cricut cut pages. So you'll be able to reinforce those holes so that they won't easily tear as you turn the pages. There are a few glitter gems in there for the poinsettia flowers. And there you have it. I have one stamp set, Countdown to Christmas, that was normally $23, and I am offering it for $5 to the first person who asks. You can find this kit and others, along with guides and Close to My Heart products, on my website, creatingwithchristine.com. Be sure to check back. I'm adding more products, kits, and guides all the time. Be the first to know about my events, workshops, and classes by signing up for my blog updates on my website, creatingwithchristine.com.